Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss how we can export all of our YouTube videos in a list. So there will be a link for the video and title for the video. Okay, so let's start. So first of all you need to open the playlist as on YouTube. Okay, so in this way it will open. Just the playlist link you need to load on the Chrome browser. I am currently on the browser, Chrome browser. So what you need to do is directly load the playlist. Now you can see in this playlist we have 641 videos, right? 641 videos. So right now there's 641 videos. We'll export all of them, okay, in an Excel sheet, or we can say a list, okay, on a notepad, or we can say txt file. So let's start. So what you need to do is, like, we have a code, so there is no need of any extension, no need of any other tool or third-party application. Just you can do it on your computer. Just you need to have a laptop or a PC with the browser which have inspect tool on it. Okay, so we need to inspect the website or web page. So for inspect, what you need to do is you need to right click on the page and then find inspect tool. Click on inspect. Okay, here it is inspecting. We can see there are elements over there. We don't need to use elements, just we need console. So you can directly go to console. Okay, now let me clear the console quickly. So yeah, we have neat and clean console. So what we need to do is, like, I'll provide you a code. Okay, that code you need to paste over there and use it. Just hit enter. Before that, make sure you load all of the videos. Like 641 videos should be loaded on the page. So to do that, to load the video, what we need to do first is, like, okay, at the bottom, if you keep scrolling the playlist, okay, just first you need to minimize the page like that. Okay, as we maximize minimize, so keep it at 25 minimum, 25%. So you can see now it will be feasible to load all of the video list in this playlist site. So as you can see at the bottom, there is this loader is doing something. So this thing, so keep scrolling unless until this loader stop working over there. So should load. So now I'm loaded with all of the videos. Okay, now there is no further videos loading. What I need to do is, like, yeah, all of the videos are loaded there. So I need to go to inspect console. Just you need to open the console. There you can use also shortcut key to open the console. Now just paste the code that I have provided in the description. You can download the txt file and paste the code over there. Let me paste the code quickly. So just paste the code and hit enter. It will download the txt file. Okay, just download the txt file and let's open the txt file. You can also see the list is been created there. Okay, you can copy this as well, but okay, we have txt file. Let's open the txt file. Okay, so this is the txt file we are having, as you can see there. So what we can do directly is, like, copy this thing, control A, copy, and open Excel. After opening Excel, just click in one cell and paste everything there. So if you paste it, it will be pasted very neat way. So you can see in the column B there are all the YouTube links, and in column C there are all the videos there. So in my playlist there were some videos which are added multiple times in the PDF. Sorry, it was added in the playlist multiple times. So it was just because I made it to increase the video number in the playlist, so that uh, it, I can test that it is working for even more than 500 videos. So as you can see, the last number is even, yeah, it's 14641. So it's all of the videos are exported like that. Okay, link and the video title you can see. So this is how you can export all the videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you have any doubt or question, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.